Hey Science Dude, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be looking at earthquakes. And those earthquakes are two surfaces called plates on the earth rubbed together. And I'll show you a picture of it, okay? Let's see. Wait a second. Got it. Wait. No. Yeah. This is the picture of an earthquake. You see this crack slide off. And then it causes the ground to shake. And everything sinks to the bottom because of soil liquefaction. Soil liquefaction is when crust being solid and the bottom is liquid. When it shakes, it turns to liquid and turns back to solid. You can make your own seismometer. All you need is a string, tape, scissors, and of course you want some points. You get a block. We're going to tie a string to the pen. Step 3, we are going to draw a scale on the seismograph. We're finished. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? When an earthquake comes, it's going to move. You can even sometimes go to 4 to 7. Today, I will give you a challenge to try to get a friend and try to ask them if they can make the best seismograph. If you make your own one, then post it in my Facebook. Like and subscribe.